Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and I'm just doing a quick review for a brand new WordPress plugin that's being released tomorrow. That's Monday, the 17th of August at 11 a.m. on Warrior Plus. It's being released by a guy called Matt Garrett, and it's all to do with 404 broken link pages. So Matt's a great guy. He's got a great reputation on WordPress plugins. He's been doing this for a long time, a veteran in the industry. Let's go through the sales page, then I'm going to show you my bonus page, and it's really quite an interesting product. So warning, your blog is bleeding money. Thankfully, there's a quick fix. WP Traffic Guard instantly boost your income with the self-optimizing set and forget ads that automatically suck in pure profits from lost traffic. So oftentimes we have 404 broken links that in case we move a page or someone types in the address wrong, and that's bleeding traffic. The whole concept of this in a nutshell is to be able to put ads on those 404 broken pages. That's property on your website, and oftentimes people arrive there. He's made the structure very simple as in terms of the WordPress plugin, where you can make the ad simply in Canva and direct them to any affiliate link that you want. It's a 7-day launch. At the beginning, starting tomorrow, you can get it at $17. 75% will never come back to your site after seeing one of these pages. So people see a 404 page or an error page, and you've lost a person there. So they type in the wrong link, or they have an old page bookmarked, or someone post a broken link on social media, and you've lost that person forever. So WP Traffic Guard solves that. Here it works in 3 steps. Step 1 is you install the plugin. Step 2, ready-made template. He gives you ready-made templates or shows you how to make templates in Canva, very simple, where you can direct them to any offer that you want. Step 3, select one or more of our ready-made ads with high proven, high converting offers. You could do that or point it at anyone that you want. So stop bleeding sales. No need to build your own ads if you don't want to. You can use these. Instant access to the best converting offers. Self-optimized ads. So what the software actually does, it will even optimize and assign more weight to the ads that get the most clicks. Plug the holes with money, and there's a whole lot of testimonials there, and that's fantastic. And that's a WP Traffic Guard. So it's basically taking, making use of that broken page on your website, because when people see that 404, they just go away and they never come back. So let me show you my special bonus page. I believe in this product. I'm going to definitely use it. Saul's custom bonus bundle. Instantly boost your income with these self-optimizing set and forget ads that automatically suck in pure profits from lost sales. So the first, there's the video that you're going to watch, that you're watching now. Starts off at $12. What is WP ToolKit all about? As I explained, WP ToolKit is the world's first one-click WordPress plugin that instantly gets you fully monetized 404 pages, while showing you exactly why and how 404 errors happen, so you can plug these holes. The front end is going to start off at $12, going up to $17. There's an OTO one. Let's go through this. The front end is $12. OTO one is $12. Traffic Guard DFY banner packs. OTO2 upsell to blog niche tools, $27. Upsell 3 blog niche tools, 100K mega article pack, that's $15. Upsell 4 for $37 WordPress ToolKit Smart Links. Upsell 5 WordPress ToolKit Smart Links add-on, $17. Upsell 6 ToolKit GPL, $77. So here's some of the benefits. Stop bleeding sales. No need to build your own ads if you don't want to. Instant access to the best converting offers. Self-optimizing ads. Grow your income. Plug holes with money. Fast action bonus free Canva training. So if you want to make your own ads, here it shows you how to make it in Canva. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's opening tomorrow again. As I said, Monday the 17th at 11 a.m. on Warrior Plus. Here are my bonuses. The first bonus is coming courtesy of my coach, Jono Armstrong, JavaScript Bot Pro. That's where you can get a ton of followers from Instagram. It recently was released and sold way over 2,000 copies. Value $427. Bonus to hack fresh content for your site in 5 minutes. That's value $46.95. Bonus 3 is Jono's best headline hacks. Jono's brilliant at writing headlines. That's $344.95 value. Bonus number 4, hack, get a surge of traffic to your WordPress toolkit. So Jono is going to show you some extra ways of getting traffic to your WordPress site. And bonus number 5 is access all the vendor bonuses. So I really believe in this product. I think that Makarat, as I said, I've met him in person. He's an honorable person. As you can see, he's a fundi in WordPress. It shows you how to put ads on your 404 pages just to monetize those pages as a property that you've got. You can use his ads, which are high converting, or you can create your own 7-day launch. And yeah, there's going to be a whole lot more information on the sales page, but instead of just spending $17 and getting that one plugin, you can go through my link. All you got to do is buy the first product, that's WP Traffic Guard, WP Toolkit by WP Toolkit. So starting off at $12, you can spoof up your broken link pages. And what's great, it's got almost AI, it's got intelligence, and it will show the link, the ad that's going to click the most, it will show the most. And you can use these ads that you created through short codes in your blog post. So all these ads that you create to go on the broken links on the 404 pages, you can actually use those ads in your blog as well. So you building up assets, and I really like this product. It gets a thumbs up from me. So Saul Maraney in Cape Town, South Africa. I hope you enjoyed this product review. It goes live tomorrow, Monday, the 17th of August at 11 a.m. EST. Catch the early bird, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks so much. Cheers.